In this section, new client preparation and hair removal of the eyebrows using simulated soft wax and tweezing. The proctor will read, you have 5 minutes to prepare your client for the following sections of the examination. Hair removal of the eyebrows using simulated soft wax and tweezing. Facial makeup. Please do not begin any procedures until verbal instructions are given and you are instructed to begin. Step back to indicate that you have finished. They will repeat those instructions and they'll say you may begin. When they say you may begin means you may sanitize your hands. So sanitize, grab the mannequin head, bring the mannequin head into the towel. Make sure that this top towel, bring it up over where they can see it, Gabriel, is 1 inch below the earlobe. Okay, so make sure it's there. Then what you're going to do is bring this up over her head, bring this one up, and then take your bobby pin and attach, okay, and then make sure this is pulled back. All right, so then you're going to sanitize your hands because you did touch hair. Okay, then you're just going to stand there until everybody is at that point, and then the proctor is going to come up to you individually and they will say, you will perform hair removal of the eyebrows using simulated soft wax and tweezing. You will select one eyebrow to demonstrate a simulated soft wax and tweezing procedure. You will be expected to follow all client protection, safety, and infection control procedures. You will be instructed individually by the examiner to demonstrate the soft wax and tweezing procedure. This is an untimed section. Do not begin to demonstrate the soft wax and tweezing procedures. You will be instructed individually by the examiner to do so. Okay, once they say that, they will say, come up to you and they will tell you, please demonstrate hair removal using simulated soft wax along the entire eyebrow. So then what you're going to do when they say that, you will go ahead and grab the gloves that you have there and put on your gloves. Okay, so then what you're going to do is you will choose the eyebrow that is the easiest for you. I'm right-handed, so this one will be the easiest for me. If you're left-handed, that one will probably be the easiest eyebrow for you. I'm going to work on this one, so I'm going to grab my antiseptic. I'll come over here, spray some on, and I'm going to antiseptic the brow, and that will go into my trash. Okay, then I'm going to grab this one that's different. The reason I have it different is just because I know that's something that I will use to dry with. You could use anything you want, from a Kleenex to whatever. Okay, so now I have to test the wax on the inside of my wrist, but I need to sanitize my gloves and get out a stick. And then you're going to have to zip it back shut. And then I'm going to open my soft wax. So I'm going to open the lid and get me just a small amount. That's stuck on the lid. So get a small amount and place it on the inside of my wrist above my glove, like that. Stick goes in the trash. Use the little rectangular piece of pellin or muslin, whichever you have. Pull it off, Throw that into the trash. Sanitize because you just wiped your dead skin cells on your glove. Okay, so now you're going to have to get out the long skinny stick. Zip the bag shut. And now you're going to open up your wax again and get you a little bit onto the small stick. I'll probably, I don't know if this will be enough, but it looks like it will. Okay, put the lid on the wax. It goes in items to be disinfected. Now I'm going to come over to the mannequin and spread this wax under the brow in a long, even stroke. Okay, so there it's on. Stick goes in trash. I'm going to grab this piece of Pellin that I have. You can use muslin. Says to wipe 2 swipes in the direction of hair growth. Notice my fingers are here like as if to be stretching the skin taut. Pull, and then go ahead and put the muslin into the trash. Then you're going to grab this other cotton round, put some antiseptic on it, and then go ahead and wipe the brow of that, and then throw that into the trash. Then you're going to open up the post-wax soothing gel, okay, and you're going to grab just a little bit on your Q-tip, close it, do not double dip into it. That will go into items to be disinfected, and then you're going to apply the gel under the brow, okay, in a nice smooth, okay. All right, so then what you're going to do, then you stand back, or sanitize your gloves. You're going to stand back, and then the proctor will tell you, please demonstrate the tweezing procedure. Okay, so once they say that, you're going to grab a cotton round, and you're going to spray some antiseptic on the cotton round, wipe the brow, throw that into the trash, okay, and then you're going to take the second cotton round, spray some antiseptic on it, make it on your middle finger, so that way these fingers can stretch the skin. Okay, so then you're going to come over here with your tweezers, stretch the brow like you're stretching, and then you're going to tweeze tweeze 1 hair, tweeze 2 hairs, and tweeze 3 hairs, wiping them onto the cotton. Okay, then the tweezers will go into items to be disinfected. This will go into trash. And then you're going to grab the last cotton round, spray some antiseptic on it, and then wipe it clean. Okay, then throw that into the trash. Now you're going to take your gloves, turn them inside out, throw them into the trash, and sanitize your hands, and then you'll step back.